them in the eye, face to face, and make no comment. Just be serious, and they will sense your power. Then walk away. Walking away is often more effective than engaging in a heated confrontation with someone who disrespects you. Confrontations can imply a lack of self-respect. It is far more frustrating for someone seeking a fight if you simply don't give them one. Understand that disrespect often stems from the other person's need to feel superior. Conceal any pity and let them believe they have won. Try to understand why they felt the need for this victory. View their disrespect as a symptom of a deeper issue and seek to uncover the root cause. This approach is suitable for dealing with disrespect from friends and people you value. For those you consider unworthy of your attention, simply ignore the disrespect and move on. It's simple, right? But most men can't do that. The majority of men will abandon logical thinking when disrespected. Many men will react as if their ego clouds their logical thinking, leading to physical confrontation. It can easily turn into a fight, and in the worst case, one of them might die. But listen, the Stoic philosophers devised a solution to this issue. Here are 6 Stoic lessons to handle disrespect effectively. 1. Stay calm. When someone insults your body or makes a comment that feels hurts personally, it's a reflection of their own self-judgment. This aligns with the Stoic principle that we should not be disturbed by things outside our control. Insults are often a way for others to deflect their insecurities or feel superior. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Maintain your composure. Staying calm when someone insults you can be extremely challenging, but it's crucial to remember that any insult is not truly about you. When people insult us, it often stems from their own ignorance, pain, or insecurities. Stoic philosophy teaches us that we cannot control others' actions or words, only our reactions to them. As Epictetus wisely said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. In theory, we say, don't judge a book by its cover. But cultural reality often contradicts this. Making judgmental comments about someone's appearance is more about the speaker than the target. Remember, if you throw a stone in the mud will come back to you. Staying calm not only protects your peace, but also reflects a deeper understanding of human nature and the wisdom of the Stoics. 2. Set boundaries. When your family or others are not used to you setting boundaries, they may perceive your actions as aggressive. However, as the Stoics would advise, remain steadfast and calm. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Recognize that their reaction is not within your control. Your response is. Setting boundaries when someone disrespects you is crucial for maintaining your peace and self-respect. The Stoics teach that we cannot control others' actions, only our reactions to them. A practical Stoic approach to setting a boundary is using clear and assertive language without aggression. Phrases like, "This isn't working for me anymore," are powerful. Expect confusion, defensiveness, and attempts to manipulate you back to old behaviors. Stay firm by calmly repeating your boundary. When they demand justification, remember that no is a complete sentence. As the Stoics would emphasize, the reason behind your boundary is irrelevant to others. You do not owe anyone an explanation for asserting your needs and self-respect. 3. Practice accountability. Before reacting to disrespect, take a moment to reflect on your feelings and thoughts. Ask yourself if your response will contribute to resolving the situation or escalating it. If you have contributed to the situation, acknowledge your part. This might mean recognizing if you have unintentionally provoked the disrespect or if your actions have been misunderstood. Hold yourself accountable for maintaining composure. Reacting with anger or aggression can exacerbate the situation. Practice deep breathing or counting to 10 before responding. As Seneca advised, anger, if not restrained, is frequently more hurtful to us than the injury that provokes it. By maintaining your calm, you embody the Stoic ideal of self-control. 4. You must accept. No matter who you are, you will face disrespect in your life, from childhood to old age. Disrespect is a universal experience, unavoidable regardless of how kind or strong you are. The Stoics teach us that disrespect is a part of life, a reality we must accept. We cannot control how others treat us. We can control how we respond. This response is where our true power lies. When faced with disrespect, instead of succumbing to anger or resentment, choose to accept the situation as it is. Marcus Aurelius advised, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This means viewing challenges, including disrespect, as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. 5. Listen carefully. Sometimes the best way to deal with disrespect is to simply listen. This might sound counterintuitive, but listening can provide a deeper understanding of the other person's concerns and issues. Active listening is a superpower. It involves tuning into the other person's message, even if their delivery lacks respect. Instead of reacting defensively or shutting them out, strive to listen actively. The goal is to understand the root of their concerns, even if they are masked by disrespect. By doing this, you demonstrate a desire to see the bigger picture. Active listening allows you to peel back the layers of disrespect and identify underlying issues. This Stoic approach isn't about condoning or excusing disrespectful behavior. It's about fostering understanding and empathy. As Epictetus advised, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. 6. Learn to forgive. Forgiveness is not surrender but victory over negative emotions. It's a reward that allows you to move forward with clarity and compassion, fostering healthier relationships and inner harmony. When faced with disrespect, many people react with anger, but the Stoic approach emphasizes forgiveness as the superior option. Stoics teach that forgiveness is not merely a favor for others, but a gift you give to yourself. Holding on to resentment only chains you, limiting your own peace and happiness. As Marcus Aurelius noted, the best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. It involves letting go of negative emotions that harm you more than anyone else. This isn't about forgetting what happened, but choosing to release the grip of resentment. Seneca wrote, "There is no grief which time does not lessen and soften." Remember, true power lies in how you choose to respond to life's trouble. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more practical wisdom and motivational lesson, like our content to support the channel. Join us as we explore further insights from the reality of life and beyond. Thank you for being part of our community.